Presenting the Montessori Object Permanence box. This is ideal for infants between 9 and 12 months old. Here's a 9-month-old interacting with the ball and box. See how much she has improved by 10 months. At nearly 1 year old, she has almost mastered this activity and is overjoyed about that. Here are some tips for presenting this material. Baby should be facing the box. Present the procedure simply and with as few words as possible. Introduce the items. This is the ball. This is the box. Demonstrate how the ball goes into the hole and repeat the action once it rolls out. Invite your child to try for as long as it holds her attention, and then when she's finished, put the work away on a shelf.
This is a ball. See the ball? This is a box. See how the ball goes in the box?
This activity cultivates their sense of object permanence. It fosters focus and concentration, develops fine motor skills through the whole hand grasp, and teaches cause and effect in a fun way. Although object permanence is said to develop between 8 and 10 months, new research suggests that it may actually develop earlier, between 3 and 5 months. It could also be present at birth, but can't easily be tested for. Here's an 8-month-old baby demonstrating what a lack of object permanence looks like. When the keys are hidden from sight, he becomes upset that they have vanished. It's possible that he knows that the keys are still there, but doesn't know how to open the box. Still, it's a good example of what a lack of object permanence looks like. Other fun object permanence games include peekaboo, hide and seek, and find the toys. Mix up the way you play and hide the toys. Place the item behind baby, inside of a box, behind you, under a blanket. Be creative. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.